Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Eva and today I would like to show you how to use our product tracker. It allows you to easily track products on Amazon that you might be interested in keeping an eye on. So there are multiple ways on how to add a product to the tracker, one of them being that you can just copy the URL of a product and then add it in the search bar right here. And that'll add the product to the tracker right away. Or you can also copy the ASIN of a product, which can be found when you scroll down on a product's listing right here, and again paste it into the search bar. What you could also do is you could directly add a product from our Chrome extension to the product tracker by clicking on Add to Tracker. So now we have a range of products in our product tracker, and the product tracker allows you to collect data such as price, rank, customer reviews, and ratings. This will help you in keeping an eye on competitors' products over time and get more insight into customer demand of certain products. The product tracker provides you with the real-time data that you need to make the right decision to choose the products you want to sell on Amazon. The product tracker is just one of our 5 great tools which are included in the web app that help you become a successful seller on Amazon. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you liked this video, please share it and hit the like button and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos and tutorials on this channel, and good luck with fetching some product ideas.